Hi everybody, I'm Lauren Brown and I'm with Stuart St. James, a real estate company here in Boston, Massachusetts. So since our new nightmare, our new normal arrived, I've had to get a little creative for my buyers who refuse to leave the house, which is completely understandable. But I figure I can go in, give a realistic, authentic open house tour with comments by me, inspired by comments I've heard from buyers in the past. And I don't know, I kind of want you guys to feel like you're there. I got this. Don't mess with me, Corona. Go. Going up the stairs here. Just came in this hallway. Here. I'm using this as an office. Just some nice French doors opening up to the living room. Nice. Close out this window between buildings here. I actually like this wallpaper. Master window unit. This does not have central air. So a nice overhead fan. Does fit some pretty big furniture. It's a good size. Some great storage, built-ins. Closet. Same view as the second bedroom. That is the view out there. Okay. So the kitchen's been gutted. Beautiful. Great storage, cabinet space, stainless steel appliances, electric cooktop. Let's get a look out the window here. Nice little flower box. Welcome to the Condo Confessional. Pre-pandemic, the confessional was my car, where actual clients would be, and we talk. All the old days. So what worked with Beacon Hill? The location is amazing, 5 minutes to MGH, the Red Line. It was a really great size for a 1-bed plus den for Beacon Hill. It was only 1 flight up, which is important because there aren't elevators in Beacon Hill. Well, there are, but they're the new buildings, so it doesn't really count. So the common hallways were a little bit of a disaster, I would find out how many units are owner occupied and how many are rented. You can always ask that question because to qualify for a mortgage, banks like to see at least a 50% owner occupancy rate. Their thought, the more people who own there, who actually live there, will take better care of the building. Old school ACs kind of took me out of the beautiful condo bubble. A much better option would have been ventless, ductless units that go on the wall. They're only about $1,000 each. They come with a remote. They look clean, modern, and you don't have to drop anything on any windows. Not that I would know anything about that. So there were radiators, which is okay because radiant heat is much less expensive. But I would do radiator covers just because it looks so much more clean. You don't have to look at the radiators, and it almost looks like a piece of furniture that fits in with a modern, updated condo. Thank you for joining me on my COVID caravan. It's almost like open house Sundays can still be a thing. If you want to join me for my next adventure, just hit subscribe and message in the comments what neighborhoods and price points that you want to see. Everybody stay safe and healthy.